Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Discord display name on mobile with the latest update. Whether you want to refresh your online identity or just fix a typo, updating your display name on Discord is quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture. This will take you to your personal settings. Next, you'll want to access your user settings. Scroll down a bit if needed, and tap on the option labeled Account. This is where you manage all the main details of your Discord profile, including your display name. Now, you'll see a field called Display Name. Tap on it, and your current display name will become editable. Here's your chance to type in the new name you want everyone to see. Keep in mind that your display name is what shows up in servers and chats, so choose something that represents you well. After entering your new display name, look for the Save button, usually located near the top or bottom of the screen, and tap it to confirm your change. Discord might ask you to verify your password or confirm the update, so follow any prompts that appear. And that's it. Your new display name is now live across all your servers and conversations. If you ever want to change it again, just repeat these simple steps. Changing your Discord display name on mobile is a straightforward process that keeps your profile fresh and personalized. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Discord identity.